Today I'm going to cook one of my favorite dishes from Cyprus, Kleftiko with lamb. And I'm going to cook it in this pot that I got from my very good friend Michalis from Emira Pottery.
So first, Yamas, welcome.
Yamas.
Oh, actually, I'm not going to cook it today, but I'm going to prepare it today because the lamb needs to be marinated, or at least it's best if you marinate it the day before.
I know you do a lot of stuff that is oven-proof. What is special about that clay?
This contains not metals, but sand.
Yeah.
You know, the sand don't take the heat fast like the metals, like the iron, when contains the clay iron.
Yeah.
So we are taking from that clay. I'm taking from Italy.
So is that an earthenware or a stoneware?
It's earthenware.
Okay.
Around 1,000.
Yeah.
Around 1,000. Here we soak it in the water, but straight in the wood-fired ovens.
Okay. So it's
It's
a
very
warm.
special. Yes.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
You soak it in the normal water, and then you put the foot and straight in the 600 degrees.
Okay. So it's stronger.
This clay is a special. Don't take the warm fast. You know, to expand and crack. This is it's soft clay. It's not hard. The stoneware is harder, the harder clay or the porcelain.
Yeah.
Okay, but that one is soft clay, but it's not break when they put straight in the.
Okay.
The metals takes the heat fast. You know.
Ah, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
When there is here on the beach, if you go and there is something from metal, you can't walk on the metal. On the sand, you can walk. On the metal, you can't walk.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
For that, the same in the clay. If the clay not contains iron.
Yeah, I do have clay with lots of iron. It's very beautiful, but
This is harder clay for the useful things.
yeah.
For cooking, is not. You have to put them in the cool oven and switch on slowly.
For the marinade, I'm going to use some olive oil and then some herbs. I have this special oregano from Cyprus. It's mild and really tasty. I also have some fresh oregano and some thyme. Some rosemary. It would be nice if I had it fresh. I don't. Some garlic, thyme, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of smoked paprika, and pepper, and salt, of course. And I'm going to mix that and then I will rub it into the meat. Oh yeah, not to forget a very important element, lime and some white wine, just a cheap, dry white wine. I added all my ingredients to a bowl. Now I added some lemon zest and some garlic. I'm going to add some lemon juice to your likings. I like a lot. So now we're ready to marinate the meat. I got about 2 kilos of leg of lamb and I had the butcher cut it into these nice pieces so they are perfect for serving. And yes, I will be using my hands for this. It is so much easier. And massage it well into the meat. Look at that. One by one. Gonna add the remaining garlics that's floating around down here into the pile of meat. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Keeping it in a plastic bag like this is very good because it keeps all the spices close to the meat and nothing escapes. Now it's day 2 and I'm getting ready to prepare the Kleftiko. But before I can do it, this is a new pot. I haven't used it before. You need to soak it in lukewarm water for half an hour or an hour for it to absorb the moist and to avoid any cracking in the oven. The bottom layer of the pot is going to be wedged potatoes. So I'm going to peel these potatoes. Primarily I like to use these bigger ones, but I didn't have enough, so I'm going to use some small ones too. We also need onions. I'm going to use both red onions and white onions. I like the mix. We also need tomatoes, and I like to use these really big, fresh tomatoes. Just cut them into wedges. Optionally, you can add some red pepper. I will do that, but you don't have to. So now I'm ready to assemble the Kleftiko in the pot. So I have the meat, the potatoes, all the vegetables, my lemon, and the local Cyprus oregano. And I have the white wine just over here. I will start with a layer of potatoes. And then I will add some of the tomato wedges in between. Some of the red pepper, lots of onions. Now on top of this, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of extra rosemary and some of the Cyprus oregano and a glass of white wine. I'm not going to pour this white wine over the lamb because I don't want that to soak too much into it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the lemon zest. And now it's time to add the meat. I'm going to push this down a little bit, like that. As you can probably guess from now, it won't fit all my meat. So I should have had a bigger pot, but I have an additional pot that I will put some more of this in. So I think we're gonna do it like that. And yeah, maybe that piece too. So now it's full. And the last part is to add the lemon juice. And sprinkle a little more of the spices on top of the meat. That's it. Now it's time to cook. I wish you were here. The smell, and it's not even cooked, is amazing. So now it needs to cook for 4-5 hours, and then we will see. Now I just took it out of the oven after 4.5 hours. It needs to rest a little bit, but I'm looking forward to lift that lid and smell. Oh my God. I wish there was smell on video because this, my God, it smells good. And if you look at the meat, it just falls off the bone exactly the way it should. So I'm really looking forward to serving this. I decided to give the potatoes a little more heat in the oven and serve it in this Moroccan bowl. So it's not original Cyprus, but I think it looks good. I will go eat now. It looks so nice.
All the best and good luck for all the potters around the world.
I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it wasn't so much how to do as I usually do, but more like another inspirational video. And I feel very inspired by potters like Michael that had the right training to do traditional pottery. And he does it so well. He works so fast. I probably never get to that speed, but I do enjoy it. If you did like the video, please subscribe, share, comment, whatever you like. And come back next week, next Sunday at about 5 p.m. Central European Time. I'm going to have another video. I hope so. Until then, have a great day.